Hey everyone and welcome to the Tech with Dimiter. My name is Dimiter and in this video we will see how we can use the align items, and especially for this example I'll use align items center, but I will show other functionality of the align items. If you're new to this channel, hit the like button and subscribe if you're interested in more coding videos. So let's go and let's make the example. First thing first, let's create one block element. Since with this block element we will spread the other block elements, so basically I'll have one div and maybe 3 divs inside this div. So let's create it and let's just copy this div. So for now we have one block element, which is this div, and 3 other block elements inside. Now I will give to this div some class, since here will be our align items and the other block elements will be in this align items center. So let's give to this div a class name which will be container center, for example. Let's just save it. I have already inserted my style CSS in my HTML document with the link. You can actually insert it like this, and this is the style CSS. We'll use it a little later. And let's give to this div some attribute, basically a style. Let's give to the first div a style. I will use again just boxes with different colors. You can put images inside. For example, this can be div with image inside, or whatever you like. It can be text, everything. So let's say background color, and what color will be the first div? Let's choose maybe the gray. Let's use the gray. The second div, again use a style, again background color and hot pink. Oh, I got okay, the gray, the hot pink. And the last div, it's again background color, and this one will be, let's see, light green. Okay, now we have our container with 3 divs inside, but we will see absolutely nothing if we go to our browser and we refresh, because these containers don't have any weight and height. So let's go to a style sheet, and first let's create properties to this container center. We added a point, that means this is a class. We add the name of this class and we put one curly braces. So what we will have in this curly braces, let's create one border just to see basically from where to where is our container, and the border will be 1 pixel, maybe 2 pixels. Let's make it a little more strong. Let's give a height. Oh no, like this. Let's be solid. And what color this border will be? Let's be a normal one, black. Now we have our border. Now let's give some weight and height, so basically we can see this container. The weight will be maybe, I don't know, 300 pixels, and let's give a height which will be 400 pixels. So far so good. If we go to our browser, we have our border. Let's just style it a little more. About the height, so it fits in our browser. Maybe like this. 350 pixels, I think is cool. Let's change it up. 350 pixels. So we have our container, basically this div. Now let's give some style to the div inside, so we can actually position them. But let's go to our style, and inside the style we select the class, basically the container center, and since these div are inside this class, we make it like this with the curly braces. Inside this div are this div, because if I choose only the divs, that means everything what I say about this div will also apply to our container div, which is this one over here. So we select the divs inside, basically these three divs, and let's give a height and weight to this div. The height will be maybe for maybe 100 pixels, or yeah, 100 is so fine. And at weight we'll give again 100 pixels. So basically these divs will be square, not squirrel. Let's save it. Let's go to our browser. Let's refresh. So far so good. We have our three divs: the gray one, the pink, and the green one, or light green. So how we can align them like this, just to be in the center. Go back, and here in the container div we write display flex, and after we write display flex, we write our basically align items, and the align items will be center. Let's save it. So basically all these three divs will be in the center horizontally. Let's come here, let's refresh, and voila, we have our three divs in the center. I make it 100 pixels. You can play a little with the functions you have. Let's select the general div, and here you can play with align items. Is unsets, stretch, start, self-start, self-end, revert, normal, initial, flex end, flex start, flex end, and the center, the baseline, and everything you may actually want to know for the align items and how you can actually align items. I use for this example the center because most of the times we want to center our items, but you can use the baseline, the end, the flex end, and so on. So I think this will be for this video. If you like it, hit the like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, or if you're interested in more coding videos, just subscribe, help this channel grow. I will be really happy. If you have any ideas or you want to share your thoughts, write in the comments. I will be happy to answer if you have any questions or something like this. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next CSS video, because at the moment I create CSS videos. Thanks for watching.